Okay, in this example I want to be looking at granting access to repositories for courses. And I have two web browsers open right now. Microsoft Explorer is open. I'm logged in as Scott Dennis. And then I have a Firefox browser that's open as Joe College. Now Joe has a master course repository test course here that he's an instructor in. And if I go into that course as Joe, I can go add content, import from a learning object repository, and I can see that there are several repositories there I can choose from. However, none of them is, or the one that's not listed, is this testing linked materials that I'm an administrator of as Scott Dennis. So if I want Joe to be able to pull from that, in fact, let's say I want everybody to be able to pull from this, one of the things that I can do is go to Access Filters, go to the Manage tab within the repository, and I can go Access Filters here, and I can set just a sharing filter that will all courses and groups and everybody across the entire institution can share from this repository. So now if I go back in to Joe's class here as Joe and go Lessons, Add Content, Import from a Learning Object Repository, I see that I now also have this testing linked materials LOR that I can pull from. So this would be something I would do if I wanted to create a repository that any instructor in any class could import or copy content from.